Hey beautiful family, welcome to another vlog. Alright you guys, so we are at the library with the fam bam, about to return some books and you know, have them check some more out. So yeah. Yes. Charger to what?
For the camera.
Oh, I didn't. I just have my other camera case. This one.
My wife is looking like a college student.
Representing my sister. Oh, yeah. So yeah, we about to go up in here. Hopefully we won't have no fines.
I think we are. We'll have some fines.
This brother, everywhere we go, he always have fines at the library. Like, dang, is that hard to just turn the books back there? Like, good gracious. Yeah. I be like, I don't know. I be trying hard not to. I do. And I told mama I was not gonna get no fine.
She get a
dog already.
Any city we at, we gonna have fine every cost all across the United States.
Man.
Library, that's the only thing.
Make no sense. But yeah, y'all, we about to get up in here. See y'all in a bit.
Something free.
These are the books I got.
I didn't even look at your book. I need to look at yours. Let me see.
I feel like it's like a Dear Martin.
The truth lies here. What, these scary books? I gotta read through that.
Father died or something. This has to be like a twist off of Dear Martin. Dear Martin was a good. Nothing. Alright, y'all, we're at the farmer's market. Joke over here driving my car crazy.
Listen.
Nah, almost took the whole front off. Doggone it. Come on, y'all. Yeah, we about to see what we're gonna have for dinner.
Over there.
Y'all always leaving the door open.
Alright, who the last person came out of it?
You finna get to the bottom of this.
No,
What's
yeah,
wrong?
fix your shoe.
Huh?
Because you had to walk all the way over here. Stop doing that. Because last time, y'all left the door open.
The whole night. Yeah. We don't know who did. Come on, girl. But yeah, we about to go in here and see. Might do like a little boil in the what's the thing called? Pressure cooker? Like potatoes, sausage, and probably like shrimps. Yeah, we trying to see. Trying to see what we gonna eat. So you always want donuts.
We get some shrimp for seafood boil. Shrimp for seafood boil?
Come on. Get this, daddy. Put that in there. Come on. We got back from the store. Went ahead and cut up everything for the little seafood, you know, type of thing we're gonna have. We have the shrimp here that we had got from the farmer's market. Corn, potatoes, eggs. Had to go to a Walmart to get the sausages because they didn't have the sausages, so got those cut up. What else was there? Hubby is rinsing off the mussels right now. Oh, I had got this sauce too. I never had this. I don't know how it's gonna taste, but Louisiana Craving Cajun seafood sauce, supposed to be sweet and spicy. So I was like, oh, we'll try that and see. I don't know. We'll let y'all know though. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get everything inside of the pressure cooker, and we'll be back, y'all. Alright guys, we got everything in there, and it is like filled up. Y'all hear me? Filled up. So, like, alright, babe. I was about to say, I always have a hard time, but it did it. It clicked in there. Okay, so we're just gonna put it on. Oh, I know I am. I got it on 6 minutes, and then gotta make sure it's on pressure.
This is gonna take 6 minutes.
Huh?
6 minutes. So we will be alright, y'all. So it is done. mussels and stuff. All right, so we about to pour it inside of. Ooh.
Permanent crust around your mouth.
Permanent crust around your eyes or permanent crust around your lips.
No, don't tear it
All
out
right.
yet.
Oh, you should have tore it off.
Keep it on there.
Because you have to write which one you would have. We can't see it.
All you gotta say
so
is
listen, eyes or lips. All right, y'all. We can't look at her card now. Would you rather have permanent crust around your eyes or permanent crust around your lips?
There's 3 letters
Just
each.
put eyes or lips.
Eyes, E-Y-E. Lip,
No.
L-I-P. Lip.
Alright, so don't look that way. So, alright, so permanent crust around your eye or permanent crust around your lips?
I go first? Or
No, I gotta go this way. What do you think she will say?
you can't lie either.
No, she can't. She already wrote it down.
Yeah.
No,
She can't switch.
No,
She
come
can't
on.
switch.
She already got
She
it.
can't switch.
Alright, come on, Lele. What do you think she'll say?
Lele, hurry up.
Lip,
Okay.
okay. I say eyes.
I say lips.
Lips. Eyes.
Y'all got it right.
No, let me see.
No.
What is it? Turn it.
Lips?
Eyes.
Eyes.
I was gonna say lips.
You rather have crust around your
Alright,
eyes.
so nose, the
Yeah,
eyes.
Alright, so I'm
Move up.
purple.
Janelle.
I can wear glasses.
I'd rather spend 6 hours lying in a gutter letting the water splash over you, or have to spend the day sitting at the bottom of a public trash can. City. Garbage.
Oh my God, what is that? Hold on.
Or would you rather have to spend a day sitting at the bottom of a public trash can on a city street, having people constantly drop garbage on you?
So the first one was what again?
In the sewer with water splashing on
For
you.
how long?
6 hours. Or be in the city trash can and have people throw trash at you.
That's
Oh, okay. I say, oh, you gotta write yours down. So turn around.
I don't.
Look, just go like this.
Yeah, just hold like that, right?
Yeah, I know I'm trying to lift it up for you. Alright.
That's
So which one? Sewer with water splashing on you or city trash dumpster or whatever with people throwing trash on you?
You gotta write the whole sentence.
Just the
Just
sewer or the trash?
Yeah, you right.
Okay, you got it? Alright, I think she would say be in the city with people throwing trash on her.
I think the sewer.
I said trash because it's light and you have people in the sewer and it's dark.
Girl, what's your answer? Everybody go through it. What's your answer?
Trash.
Trash? Alright, city?
Trash.
The city?
City trash.
I'll say trash. I'm not by being there. But
No, what do you think she would say?
I'll say trash because she never made it.
Oh, okay.
Y'all all got it wrong.
We can't all get it wrong. What am I say? What did you say?
I wrote a lot more, but
Oh.
I put trash.
Trash? Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, one. Oh, no.
When you read the challenge.
Oh, I have to read the challenge?
Yeah.
I read the challenge? The question is, would you rather marry a boring millionaire or a brilliant starving artist? Alright, so we left off on the challenge question. And the challenge question was, would you marry a boring millionaire or a brilliant starving artist? So now everybody wrote the answer, right?
Yep.
This one says millionaire becomes or because?
Yeah, because.
Millionaire becomes BFF. I can be what my... I don't get that one. Okay, this one says millionaire. This says millionaire. Maybe whenever we find out, we'll understand the description. Becomes the best friend. I can't be what.
You're reading it backwards.
Okay, millionaire. The best friend becomes.
Because I can be with my best friend, Mama.
Alright, this one says millionaire because they can be with their best friend. Alright, go ahead. Alright, listen, we gotta read all of them. Okay?
Alright.
This one says
Smart starving artist because I will not marry anyone boring and we will find a way to get money.
okay. Tyler, read yours, the one you have.
Okay. Hey, I can't get up.
Come on, man. Come on.
A brilliant artist because maybe I will.
Come on. You gotta stop.
Okay. A brilliant artist because maybe I would be rich. So if I'm rich, then we won't be poor.
Okay. Jay, what did yours say?
I gotta start over.
What?
You gotta start over.
Why?
Because, no, read it. Marry a boring millionaire.
Okay. Did it have a reason on it?
No.
Oh, okay, you're supposed to put a reason, so that one's not gonna win. Alright, Nuki. Alright, read yours.
A boring millionaire because we can use the money to do things to get him out of being bored.
Okay. What does yours say?
Oh no.
She can't read.
Starving artist because life. What is this?
Listen,
What is that word? Oh wait, because life use. I mean, come on now.
You're right.
I don't know what is that word.
What's the word?
Starving artist because life is too short.
Okay, let her read it.
Bored.
Alright, so starving artist because what?
life is too short to be bored.
Boring.
Okay, anyway.
And it's something else at the bottom. You can't even read it.
What's it say at the bottom, baby?
Full of adventure.
Full of adventure. So read it over again. It says, what now?
No.
A starving artist because life is too short to be bored. Full of adventure. The end.
Alright, Lily, what does the one you have say?
Starving, brilliant man because I don't want to marry a boring person because that's just a waste of time.
Okay. Alright, so now each player then votes on his one favorite reason. Use a show of hands to count the votes for each reason. A player is not allowed to vote for his or her own reason. So,
Object.
it says use a show of hands to count the votes for each reason. Okay, so who votes, and you can't vote for your own one, okay? Who votes for the one that says millionaire because I can marry my best friend? Because I can be with my best friend. So, anybody choose that one? Alright. What's the one?
Anybody choose this?
No! So read yours, baby. It's okay.
Smart starving artist because I will not marry anyone boring and we will find a way to get money.
Anybody vote for that one?
Can we vote for many or we have to vote for one?
No. Whoever is partisan, no.
It's just voting for that. It's just voting for one, right?
Oh, your favorite. Okay.
Yeah, your favorite.
I'm not voting for
Alright, so this one said, listen, smart starving artist because I will not marry anyone boring and we will find a way to get money. I vote for that one. You did?
No.
So you can't vote for no other ones. Well, you can't vote for your one anyway.
Okay, yeah.
So 3 for that one?
Yeah.
Alright, Tyler, read yours.
Alright, this one says a brilliant artist because maybe I will be rich. So if I'm rich, then we won't be poor.
Oh, how you know you're gonna be rich? Yeah. All right, so we got one vote for that. All right, Jay, what was yours?
Very boring.
Oh yeah, that one is. That don't even have a reason.
That was it. He ripped it. He knew how sorry that was.
All right, look at what it's yours.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Boring millionaire because we can use the money to do things to get him out of being bored.
Ooh, somebody call me somebody.
No.
All
Alright,
Still out.
This girl is so. Alright, does anybody vote for that one? Alright, we got one vote for that.
Right,
That's it.
yours.
Alright, Nell.
No.
Because
Start
starting.
No, give me a card. Give me a card. You've been playing too much.
Starting artist because life is too short to be bored. Life should be full of adventure.
Alright, anybody vote for that one? One for that one? Alright, so Lele, read yours.
Didn't I read my first?
No, I did. Nell, get up, girl, come on.
I'm brilliant man because I don't want to marry a born person because that's just a waste of time.
Anybody vote for that one?
Me.
You voted for the last one.
You voted.
No, she did.
She did.
Oh my God.
Objection.
Alright, so the winner is smart starving artist because I would not marry anyone born and we will find a way to get money. I know who wrote this.
Tyler.
I can tell by the writing. The player who reason gets the most votes wins this challenge and advances to the next level.
I thought Nell was Tyler's, but this is
This
bad.
one was yours, Tyler? Yeah, I can tell by the handwriting.
This is bad.
Alright, so Tyler won that round. So you advance to what color are you?
Alright, we can advance
Agreed
right
with
here.
It was. It was 3 that agreed to.
I went to it.
Oh, here's yours.
You lost the most.
What you saying to the kid? What you said, babe?
Find your will,
I was saying it was a good time. We had a nice time together.
Oh,
Y'all
playing
have a
game.
good- yeah, playing games. We had a good day together. And I hope you have a good life.
Oh my goodness, you like the kids gonna go off somewhere. Alright, y'all, we don't played the game. They behind sleeping eye. Look at her. Sleeping eye. And her over there mad because she had her only turn was on a lose turn. How I got 0 minutes?
Sad.
Very. Alright then, no it ain't. We gotta wrap it up. Okay guys, so thank y'all so much for tuning into this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. The little family time that we was having. We love y'all. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not subscribed, baby. And we will catch y'all on our next video. Bye y'all.
Peace.
I know you said you just want to be in the back of the truck.
You didn't listen, baby girl. We said,
fair.
oh, it's fair. You gotta listen
Like
and
that.
pay attention.
No.
You look cat.
Calm yourself down.
Shut up.
You better calm down.
Because your answer was not even on there, okay? Talk about you can grill it. Where you gonna get the grill?
I don't know. You have to
How you gonna kill it?
I mean, you would think.
We're recording it all.